Welcome to a tutorial on the electronic loans. Once the user is on the loan information page, they have the ability to import electronic loans. They can select Log into your student aid account button, and they will see an FSA login page. They can then enter their username and password. And click the Login to HHS button. They can accept the warning and close the window. The system will match their personal information, that is the SSN and the date of birth, with the Department of Education data, and if all is valid, it will successfully import the electronic loans. The electronic loans table will display the list of imported loans. The user has an ability to view the loan information by clicking the View button. In case of a plus loan, the user will have to click the Edit button and confirm if the loan was taken for a dependent. User can also update the loans by clicking on the Update All Electronic Loans button. The user can remove loans by clicking on the Remove All Electronic Loans button. The user should click the Save and Continue button to successfully save their imported electronic loans.